This is going to be a video tutorial on how to enable or disable the Always Ask Where to Save Files dialog box in the Microsoft Edge web browser. I will be using a desktop PC for this. Let me jump over to my browser here. I have the Microsoft Edge web browser opened up now. To enable or disable the Always Ask Where to Save Files dialog box, what that is, on my computer I have it enabled. If I go to a download link, I'm going to click on this download link here, and in the upper right hand corner a little dialog box opens up asking me what I want to do, where I want to save the file. I can click on Save As, and a little dialog box pops up, and I can rename the file and I can choose where I want to save the file. To enable that or disable it, it's very easy to do. First thing you want to do is go off to the upper right hand corner up to the three-dot hamburger menu. You want to click on that. Then you want to go down to where it says Settings and click on Settings. Now on the pane off to the left hand side, you want to go down towards the bottom and click on Downloads. Then on the center pane, the top thing, Location, that is your default location. Whatever you have that set to, it's your default location for downloads. You can always change that by clicking on Change here. Down below that, ask me what to do with each downloaded file. If this is toggled on, that feature is enabled. If this is toggled off, when you go to download something, it will by default automatically download to whatever location you have listed here. That is how to enable or disable the Always Ask Where to Save Files feature on the Microsoft Edge web browser. Thanks for watching.